Hello friends, in this lecture we will see Streamline, and before that I have done a cavity mill here. So this is the result after cavity mill. Now I want to do Streamline operation. So Streamline, basically we use this Streamline option for finishing, and it will used especially for complex sheet. And here we have to specify one cross curve, some cross curve and some flow curve, as we have done in surfacing with the variable through curve. So this kind of surface we can machine here. So select this, and my tool is ball mill and workpiece, and why I want to do this finishing, so click this one. In this example we have only two curve in the same direction. So first I'm going to select the area to cut. So this is my area. By default it will detect the curve. Now go to main, and from streamline, see here we have one flow cut. This is outer one is the first flow, and second inner one is the second flow cut. Okay, and if you have other cross curve in any direction, other direction, that time we can select from here. We can use this cut direction, so we can define the direction of this cut. By default it is automatic, so no problem. I'm just increasing the step over, and my cut pattern is zigzag. Let's click OK, and we are doing this in 3 axis, so no need to change any axis. So generate it. Okay, this kind of toolpath will generate, and if you want to see, generate this. Okay, it will finish in this direction. Now I want to change the direction. So for direction we have one option, this cut direction is this, and I want this time this direction. Okay, and now increase this step over to 60 and click OK, and generate. See, this is the direction. Okay, so this is not the proper way, so I'm going to select this direction. Okay, and generate it. Okay, so this is the one way to generate, and in another example we will see how to create a streamline.